SARDAR. I did my graduation from MBA College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am with the CGPA of 8.2 in aeronautical stream. I am a 2022 passed out student. Recently, I got placed in a company named Envision Financial System with a package of 4.3 LPA. One of my friends suggested to come here, and as he knows that all the faculties and non-teaching member like HR are good here, they will provide us supporting and all the grooming that we need during attending any interview. They groomed me for communication, for technical, as well as for HR questions, and they took presentation class also, which helped me to improve my communication skills. And I would like to thank all teaching and non-teaching faculties here. And if anyone is looking for a job and wanted to build their career in IT field, I would highly recommend to come to JSpiders Hebbal Branch.